Okay, I'm still working on my 1794 grandfather clock. I got the movement back together. This movement didn't come with this spring, so I'm not for sure if I got the right length or not. The pendulum is designed differently than what I normally would see. So, do I drill a hole in the bottom of that brass plate to hang this pendulum on? Or do I manufacture a different pendulum rod? Somebody has worked on it before, because this section here is new. But the movement itself is taken away. I don't have the hands on it yet, but we're getting there. Got the chain routed. Like I said, it's one continuous chain, just like in my Wuba clock, but we're getting there. My stand here is crooked. That's the problem. I need to put some shims underneath my stand. So tell me, you grandfather clock experts, do I drill a hole in the end of the brass? Is my pendulum leader long enough? It barely has any clearance at the foot of the crutch. So, is it long enough? Do I need to order another one? And do I drill a hole in the bottom of that brass to put this hook in? Or my other grandfather clock, the rod is drilled into the brass itself. My other grandfather clock that I bought over in England, that's extremely old. So let me know, please. God bless.